nakita ko kung paano trinato si Gutesa. At meron akong obligasyon na tumulong para malaman natin ang katotohanan. You ask about my motive, that is my motive.
I don't
Gusto
understand.
kong makaambag sa paghahanap ng katarungan.
I don't understand what you mean when you say with how they treated Gutesa sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. We all watched the hearings. In fact, si Senator Lacson wanted him to come back and to give them more details, di ba? Kaya lang siya mismo yung nawala. He disappeared. So I'm not sure exactly what you mean by how they treated Gutesa and why you're making it sound like he was treated very badly.
My question to you, I'm sure you asked the same question yourself, na bakit yung mga bahagi ng oposisyon, na bahagi ng grupong gusto ring ipa-impeach si Pangulong Marcos, bakit sila magsa-sign on? Bakit sila bibigyan ng mali-malitang pera? I'm sure you asked that question yourself. So bakit po?
Yeah, I don't know po. Yun po yung nakita nila eh.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
That's what they've seen. That's what they observed with their own eyes, with their senses. That's what they've seen. That's what they observed with their own eyes, with their senses. I cannot question them.
But again, to be clear, they did not see the money in these so-called paper bags and maleta, correct?
Nakita po nila kasi una nga sila yung kasama sa pagbitbit po eh.
Sabi mo,
sila
sir,
yung-
it's a reasonable mind that will assume that it's money.
Pardon?
Di ba kakasabi niyo lang that, they didn't see it, but, a reasonable mind will conclude that it was money?